welcome back to yet another video of Tech Brothers. In today's video, we will be building a 1080p 60fps gaming PC with future upgradability in mind. So let's get started. For the CPU, we have AMD Ryzen 3 1200. It's priced at 5,130 rupees. For motherboard, we have ASRock A320M-HDV. It's a M80X motherboard with 2 RAM DIMM slots and a maximum RAM capacity of 32 GB at a price of 3,350 rupees. For RAM, we have Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 3000 MHz at a price of 3,150 rupees. For storage, we have an SSD and a HDD. For SSD, we have a Galaxy Gamer LS11 120GB drive for OS at a price of 1,400. For HDD, we have an Western Digital 1TB Blue 7200 RPM drive for media storage at a price of 2,899 rupees. For power supply, we have Corsair VS550. It is a 550 watt power supply at a price of 3,300. For GPU, we have Asus RX 580 Dual OC 8GB at a price of 17,299 rupees. For a case, we have Corsair Spec 5 Red LED ATX mid-tower cabinet with transparent side glass black at a price of 2,900 rupees. So, after compiling the list of the build, let's check the total amount of price. The total amount of the bill falls at 39,428 rupees. Adding a shipping cost makes it 39,715 rupees. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and please do subscribe.